two new airlines, Al Hind Air and Fly Express, are set to take to the skies, with the carriers receiving their no objection certification from the Civil Aviation Ministry. Now, in the coming year 2026, apart from these two carriers, Uttar Pradesh-based Shank Air, which already has a no objection certificate, is likely to start operations as well. Tanushka, my colleague, joining us in order to get us more on this. Tanushka, so how soon in 2026 are we expecting these two airlines to take, forward their operations?
Right, Divya, first off, seeing the consequences of the duopoly in the Indian skies, which we've observed earlier this month when Indigo's schedule collapsed entirely, the Aviation Ministry has stepped up its efforts to ensure that Indian flyers have more choices when it comes to airlines. We've also been given to understand that the Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu met with the representatives of these airlines, Al Hind Air, Fly Express and even Shank Air. And these two new airlines, Al Hind Air and Fly Express, are set to take to the skies with their carriers receiving no objection certificates from the Civil Aviation Ministry. This was handed over formally by the Minister of Civil Aviation, Ram Mohan Naidu, and we do understand that in 2026, apart from these two carriers as well, UP-based Shank Air, which already has an NOC, is likely to start operations as well. Al Hind Air is also being promoted by a Kerala-based Al Hind group, so that also comes into context here, wherein Ram Mohan Naidu met with the representatives of these airlines, and of course we are looking forward to their operations starting forward next year. When exactly next year, that is unclear as of this moment, but next year this does come across as a happy move, at least for now, that the ministry has taken consideration of the fact that after Indigo's collapse, there need to be new and more airlines that need to be brought into Indian skies. Back to you.
Tanushka, thank you so much for getting us the good news of these two airlines that are going to be launched in the new year 2026.